Hello Kanna. CA exam preparation is really tough. But I always tell my students that smart work is much more important than hard work. Both smart work and hard work will go hand in hand when you are preparing for your CA examinations. And in today's age, there is a new technology which has made smart work even more important and CA preparation much more efficient. And this technology is nothing but artificial intelligence. You all would have heard that artificial intelligence is now playing a huge role in the chartered accountancy profession. But did you wonder that AI can also play a good role in your CA exam preparation if you use it properly? In this video, my motive is to introduce you to the top 3 free AI tools that are available, for what they are used and how to use them so that you can also use them in your CA exam preparation. And the third tool is a new tool, and it is an amazing tool which I discovered with many uses. So definitely watch the video till the very end, and I would like to tell in advance itself that if you like this video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe and share it with your friends. So now let us jump to the first AI tool which you would all have heard of, and that AI tool is nothing but ChatGPT. It is nothing but ChatGPT. So Kanna, I know most of you would be knowing what is ChatGPT. Most of you would already have used ChatGPT for some purpose or the other. But definitely now ChatGPT is playing a huge role in many cases. Number one, you can ask ChatGPT any doubt. So for example, if you are not able to reach your teacher or professor and you are having some doubt or confusion in your mind, then you can post that doubt in ChatGPT and ask for a response. Definitely, ChatGPT responses are not 100% reliable, but I can definitely say that it is much more improved than what it was a few months ago. Now it is giving very apt answers with the latest data. So I would recommend that if you are having any query, you can ask that query to ChatGPT, and after getting the response, I would recommend to cross check that answer once using the internet and you will be crystal clear. Sir, for what else can I use ChatGPT? You can use ChatGPT to simplify the concepts. You all know that ICAI study material is available online in PDF form in the ICAI website. You can download that material, and whatever section is there which you are not able to read and understand, that section you can copy and paste it in ChatGPT and ask it to simplify it for you or to teach it to you with the help of examples, and it will be able to do that also. Then what else can be done? You can ask ChatGPT to make a schedule for you. You can ask ChatGPT to plan for you, and many other use cases are there. You can ask it anything and it will give the response. If I have missed out on something, if you have taken benefit of ChatGPT for some other purpose also, I would definitely like you to please comment on this video so that the other students can also see that how else can ChatGPT be used as a CA student to help them for their preparation. And not only for core CA exam preparation, you can use it for other things also. For example, during the examination, you do not know what to eat, what is healthy food, what is not healthy food. You can ask it for a diet plan. So many use cases are there for ChatGPT. And also, I would definitely mention CA GPT, which is introduced by the CA Institute, correct? So CA Institute has also introduced few GPTs which has been trained on the different subjects. For example, for auditing standards, you will have a auditing standard GPT, you will have a direct tax GPT, you will have an indirect tax GPT. So whatever doubt you are having relating to that particular subject, you can ask that doubt to that particular GPT and it will give you a better response. So if you are not having a paid Chat GPT version, I would definitely recommend to you to use CA GPT. So now earlier only members had the access to use CA GPT. Now even students can use CA GPT. You can log in here and then you will get the link to the GPT. When you click the link, it will automatically connect to ChatGPT, and from that ChatGPT you can ask different questions. It will give you a response. So for example, if you see, I have a CA GPT for GST and indirect taxes. So this is the indirect taxes GPT. Should we ask something to indirect tax GPT? Okay, let us ask, what is the HSN code for a laptop? So whenever you post question, the HSN codes, the GST rates, everything is feeded in this CA GPT. It will search from its knowledge and then it will give you an appropriate response. So here it is given that HSN code for laptop is 8471. This 8471, definitely I will recommend that you go to another browser, then you search this HSN code and see whether actually it is for laptop or not, to double check the answer of ChatGPT, so that you are crystal clear that your query or doubt is 100% cleared. Okay. So CA GPT can also be used, ChatGPT can also be used. So definitely I would try to at least you try to go to ChatGPT, ask few questions. Definitely you yourself will get a hold of how to use, because it is very easy to use. You just post question, it will give you the answer. And not only question, you can give voice note also to ChatGPT. You can give images also to ChatGPT. You can give PDF also to ChatGPT and it will give you the response. Even YouTube video links can be put in ChatGPT. Fine. Now let us move to the second AI tool. The second AI tool is called Perplexity. This I think many people will be knowing, but almost everyone will be knowing ChatGPT, but fewer people will be knowing about Perplexity.ai. So what is this Perplexity.ai? This Perplexity is an enhanced version of a browser. So for example, if you go to Google Chrome, okay, and if you want to research about some topic, you can't ask Google Chrome big questions. It will not be able to give you the appropriate answers, and it will only give you the links. So you have to go to each and every link manually, and then you have to try to find out the answer and come to a conclusion. But Perplexity is an advanced version of a browser where you can ask it complicated questions also, which you cannot type in the browser section. Fine. So for example, I want to research about the latest section 128A that has come in the GST provision relating to the relaxations that are given for GST notices. So I can type in Perplexity. How is section? You can ask questions to Perplexity also, like you asked to ChatGPT. Sir, what is difference between ChatGPT and Perplexity? In ChatGPT no kana, the AI will give the answer to you. But in Perplexity, it is like an enhanced browser. So it will give you an answer also according to its own algorithm, and it will give you the source from where it took all the answers. You can go into that source and see for yourself, check for yourself. So for research, I personally feel Perplexity is way better than ChatGPT. So how is section 128A helpful for GST taxpayers? So let us just ask a question to Perplexity. So Perplexity will go through the internet, it will go through many websites and blogs, and then it will itself draft an answer for you. So here you can see how section 128A helps GST taxpayers. Key benefits for taxpayer: waiver of interest and penalty, reduce financial burden, encourages voluntary compliance. So all these things are given here. Okay, it has given a summary also, it has given a conclusion also, it has given related topics also that you can ask to Perplexity and it will give you the answer for that also. And for source for everything is given. That is only the best feature of this Perplexity. So top 4 articles you can see here, it is given. So whatever article, for example, Tax Guru article is there. If I want to see this, then I can just click on it and this article will open and I will be able to read the entire content. Fine. If you want to see the other sources also, so you can click on this sources tab and you will see all the other sources from where it has taken the answers, and you can check whether all these websites are reliable or not. Okay, so this is the best feature I like about Perplexity. However, these deep answers, the big answers are there. No, in the free version, it will give you only 3 answers per day. Maybe now the limit is increased, so you can try out for yourself and see. But definitely, in some difficult times where you want to research about some particular topic, you are going through the web and you are not able to find reliable websites, Perplexity will do the job for you. So, very good website. And now, time for the third AI tool, which I told you it is going to be very interesting. Okay, and that AI tool is Google's Notebook LM. Google's Notebook LM. So this is not a fully developed version. This is still in the beta version. It means what? Testing stage. But in the testing stage also, amazing website, especially for CA students. This website itself is built for education purpose only, and there are so many features that are available on the website. So in this in this website, if you go, you will be able to create a notebook for different topics. Okay, so here I have created a notebook for advanced tax, TDS and TCS provision. Okay, and firstly what you have to do is you have to add the source from which you want to study that particular topic. So what I did, I took my own revision lecture. Here if you click add source, there are many options. You can upload any file from Google Drive or Google Slides. You can upload a source from your computer. You can give a website link. You can give a YouTube video link, or you can write something and paste the text. So that text also it will take for research purposes. So whatever source if you want to study, collect all the sources and feed it into Notebook LM. So here what did I do? I went to YouTube link and I pasted the link of my own revision lecture for TDS for May 2025 examinations. May 25, September 25 and Jan 26 examination. Fine. After, so that is the only source. Remember, the only source is what? My YouTube video. Now what does it do with that YouTube video? What all features you get? Let me just tell you. So first and foremost, here there is a Google LM chat. So what is this chat? Firstly, it will itself give you the heading of the topic. Then it will give you a brief summary of what is explained in that particular source. And now whatever you want, the doubts you can ask it to Google LM. Okay. So for example, in the TDS video, I have discussed various TDS sections, the TDS rates, okay, the exemptions, limits, etc. So whatever is in the scope of that video, I can ask in the chat box. So for example, I will ask it, what is the rate of TDS for interest payments? Okay, so in interest payment also there are two sections. 194A is also there, 193 is also there. Let us see what answer it is giving. So I ask the question. Pardon me, my internet is a little bit slow. So see here. Here's a breakdown. Interest on security, section 193 it has given. General rate is 10%. It has also given the exemptions. So where TDS is not deductible. From my video, I did not give any text Kanna. I only gave it the video, and I have not put my own captions in the video also. I have enabled the captions. So whatever auto-generated captions from YouTube are there, that will come inside my video. But I personally, I have not put any captions. So it will just analyze the video. What I have spoken in the video, it will convert it into text, and using that text, it will resolve your queries. So see here. It has given the interest rate for 193 also, and for 194 also it has given the interest rate, and along with that it has also given the exemptions, limits, okay, where and all this is not applicable, the TDS is not applicable, it is given in the detailed manner. Okay, so whatever doubts you are having about a particular lecture, about a particular book, PDF, whatever it is, you can feed it in the chat box and it will give you a apt response. Now, one more feature is that you can generate frequently asked questions also. So you, for example, see here, I have asked questions. This is what Okay, this is a summary, a detailed summary of whatever I have spoken in the video. So this feature is also there. If I just click on briefing document, it will give me that summary. Then if I click on FAQ, it will generate a frequently asked question document where it will give the questions also, it will give the answers also. So see here, let me click on this. So what is the general rule for TDS? For when TDS should be deducted, and are there any exceptions? So many questions are given, and for those questions answers are given in this feed itself. So this is also one feature. Let me go through the other notes, just a second. See here, it will give you quiz also. So see here, so 10 questions are given in quiz and then the answer is given. So first question, generally when is TDS deducted? What are some exceptions to this general rule? Second question, under 192 section, what is the rate of TDS on salary and what is the threshold for the deduction? So it will automatically generate questions for you, and you can now analyze from this question answer whether you are able to have a grip over the topic or not. So that is also an amazing feature. Idhikku next level, let me tell you. It will also create an audio overview. It means what? See, you can click here audio overview. Then what it will do is that it will convert the entire source into a podcast. Podcast means what? It will be a 30-35 minute conversation based on the depth of the topic. And in that, if you are putting a PDF inside this, it will generate a podcast where 3 people are sitting and talking and having a conversation about that particular topic. So if you listen to that podcast, you will be able to understand even more easily or in a simple way. It is also converting my YouTube video into another podcast, okay, where 3 people are sitting and speaking about the topic that I am teaching in the video. So amazing feature. This takes some time, maybe 1 minute or 2 minutes to load, and after that if you play it, amazing, you just listen to it and see, your mind will be blown about this tool. Next, one more get the feature I will tell you is this mind map feature. So I have generated mind map for this particular YouTube video. Just see the awesome mind map that it has created. See here. So in my YouTube video, I have discussed about TDS, TCS, advanced tax and interest provision, correct? So this is, I have done nothing. I have just clicked the button called mind map. Okay, I have not done anything to generate all this. If you do, you will also realize that it is so simple. So see here. So it has put a mind map. So if I click here, see here, 5 sections are there in my TDS video. It has divided my TDS video into 5 parts. TDS, TCS, ranking of TDS, TCS sections, advanced tax and interest. Now let me expand TDS. So see here. So it has divided TDS into 2 parts. General rules, specific sections. So if I take the general rules, then what will happen? See, so many parts are there. Whatever provisions I have taught, in summary, it has given me point wise what are all the provisions that I have taught. For example, deducted on payment or credit, whichever is earlier. So TDS is generally deducted on payment or credit, whichever is earlier. So that is the provision. Then in certain cases, TDS is deducted only on payment basis. So that also it has given. Then when limit cross, TDS on entire value except 194N and 194Q. So what did I tell you in the revision lecture? That if limit is crossed, generally on the entire amount TDS has to be deducted, but in 194N and 194Q, only on the amount which is above the limit TDS should be deducted. So it has summarized into key points. If you see all these key points, if you are able to understand what is given in these key points, you will know that you are thorough in that particular topic. So here also see, if I click specific sections, then all the sections are there, and I just have to click a particular section and it will give me the summary. So for dividend, the rate is 10%. What is the limit up to which dividend TDS is not deducted? Up to 5,000 for individuals other than cash. And then no TDS for LIC, GIC, subsidiary insurer. Such an amazing website which gives a mind map also. So see here, this mind map is given. like this. So you can just keep on expanding. So like a tree, the branches grow out of a tree, the mind map branches will grow out, and you will be able to understand. First and foremost, this is very good to visualize and structurize whatever concept is there in a particular chapter. And second thing, this will ensure that in your mind it is crystal clear that you have covered and understood all the topics in a particular chapter. In this, many more features are also there in this notebook LM. So definitely, if you yourself go to the website and there are many options available, just click the option and see. You yourself will be able to understand. I did not want to go very deep into how to use all the different AI tools. Already this video has become lengthy, about 20 minutes. I hope that you have gotten a gist as to how these tools are helpful. If you know about some other tools, definitely let me know in the comment section. If those tools are really good for CA exam preparation, I will try to make a part 2 of this video where I explain those tools as well. I hope that you found this video helpful. See you in the next video, Kana. Till then, take care. Bye bye.